Aaloo, Maaloo, Kaaloo. Written by Vinita Krishna. For the very first time, Maaloo is collecting vegetables from the garden. He has collected red tomatoes, long brinjals, and green lady's fingers. Grandma says, "Well done, Maaloo. Go and get some potatoes too." Maaloo looked at all the trees, creepers, and plants. He could not see a single potato.
"Grandma, the potatoes aren't ready yet,"
said Maaloo, putting the empty basket down.
"No, Maaloo, there are plenty of potatoes. Look carefully,"
said Grandma. Maaloo went into the garden once again. Kaaloo, the dog, followed him. Maaloo was looking for potatoes when he heard woof, woof.
"Kaaloo, stop, Kaaloo!"
yelled Maaloo, running after him.
"Don't ruin the garden."
Kaaloo was digging away, and what do you think came out of the ground? Big fat potatoes!
"Well done, Kaaloo! You found the potatoes!"
laughed Maaloo, filling his basket with potatoes.
Hãy đăng ký và bấm chuông để nhận những video mới nhất từ Kiwi. Đừng quên like và share để mọi người cùng nhau học tập nhé.